Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us Drip on piano. Start by finding middle C on your piano. The Among Us Drip melody primarily uses notes around this area. We'll begin with the right hand, focusing on the iconic, catchy tune. Take your time to get the rhythm just right. Slow practice is key to building muscle memory and ensuring each note is played with precision. This foundational step sets you up for success. Now, let's bring in your left hand to add depth. We'll use simple, foundational chords such as C major and G major to create a rich accompaniment. The goal is to synchronize both hands, allowing the left hand to provide a steady harmonic bass while your right hand carries the melody. This coordination will make the piece sound much more complete and engaging. The Among Us Drip theme has a very specific, recognizable rhythm. Pay close attention to the timing of each note and rest. Incorporating dynamics, like playing some parts louder and others softer, will bring the piece to life. Using a metronome is highly recommended to maintain a steady tempo, ensuring your performance is both precise and expressive. Aim for a consistent beat throughout. Once you've mastered the basics, consider adding your own flair with slight variations or embellishments. Recording your practice sessions can be incredibly helpful. Listening back allows you to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Remember, consistent daily practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes, is far more effective than infrequent long sessions. Enjoy the process of making this fun tune your own.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.